Welcome to a journey, one that's often overlooked yet is rooted deep beneath our feet. Today we invite you to see the world from a new perspective, to follow a path you might not have considered before, the remarkable life of a humble carrot. We're about to dive into the fascinating story of a carrot, tracing its transformation from a tiny, unassuming seed to the vibrant, crunchy vegetable you find in your local store. Carrots are more than just a side dish. As root vegetables, they spend most of their lives hidden underground, quietly absorbing nutrients and energy from the earth. Packed with beta-carotene, fiber, and essential vitamins, they're a powerhouse of nutrition, supporting healthy vision, skin, and immune function. But the journey from farm to plate is far from simple. It's a fascinating blend of science, technology, and a little bit of dirt. Modern agriculture relies on a delicate balance of timing, machinery, and human expertise to ensure each carrot reaches its full potential. In this chapter, we'll explore every step of the process, from the careful planting of seeds to the high-speed packaging lines that prepare carrots for markets around the world. Carrots are planted in meticulously straight rows, a method that maximizes space, sunlight, and water efficiency. This precision not only helps the carrots grow strong and straight, but also makes harvesting much easier and more efficient. When harvest time arrives, specialized machines sweep through the fields, gently pulling thousands of carrots from the soil. These machines are designed to minimize damage, ensuring that each carrot remains intact and ready for the next stage. What happens next is a testament to modern food production. The carrots are quickly transported to processing facilities, where they're washed, sorted, and inspected for quality. Only the best make it to your table. Our story begins in a vast, sun-drenched field under the open sky, a place where nature and human ingenuity work hand in hand. The life of every carrot starts as a tiny, almost weightless seed. Farmers carefully select and plant these seeds, knowing that each one holds the potential for a nutritious harvest months down the line. Every step along the way is designed to ensure that the carrot you eventually eat is safe, clean, and delicious. From rigorous inspections to thorough washing, quality is never left to chance. The process begins with soil preparation. Machines till and aerate the earth, creating the perfect environment for seeds to sprout. After months of careful tending, the carrots are harvested, cleaned, and sorted before being sent down the packaging line. We're breaking down every stage of this journey so you can truly appreciate the effort, technology, and care that go into bringing this root vegetable from the field to your fork. So are you ready to discover the secret life of carrots? Excellent. Let's dig in and unearth the story behind every crunchy bite. Our carrot's life begins in a carefully prepared field, where the earth is turned and nurtured with great attention. Before a single seed is sown, farmers spend weeks planning and preparing, choosing the best location with plenty of sunlight and just the right balance of nutrients. This is the very first step in the carrot's journey, a foundation for everything that follows. The soil must be loose and free of rocks for straight growth. Carrots are root vegetables, and any obstacle in their path can cause them to twist or fork. Farmers carefully sift the soil, removing stones and clumps, ensuring a soft bed where the young roots can stretch deep and straight. This attention to detail is crucial for growing those perfect straight carrots we all recognize. Farmers use machines to till the soil, creating the perfect nursery. Modern tractors and tillers break up the earth, mixing in organic matter and aerating the ground. This process not only loosens the soil but also helps retain moisture and nutrients, giving the carrot seeds the best possible start in life. A seed drill plants the seeds at the perfect distance, dropping each tiny seed into the earth with precision. This technology ensures that every carrot has enough space to grow without crowding its neighbors, which is essential for healthy development and easy harvesting later on. Spacing is key for healthy growth. If seeds are too close, the carrots will compete for water, nutrients, and sunlight, leading to stunted or misshapen roots. By planting in neat, straight rows, farmers make sure each carrot has room to thrive. The waiting game begins with warmth and water. After planting, the field is quiet, but beneath the surface, the seeds are waking up. The gentle warmth of the sun and the moisture from morning dew signal the seeds to begin their journey. Irrigation systems provide the right amount of water, mimicking gentle rain and keeping the soil consistently moist. Carrots need just enough water, not too much, not too little, to sprout and grow strong. Farmers monitor the fields closely, adjusting the irrigation to match the weather and the needs of the young plants. Over weeks, seeds germinate, and sprouts reach for sunlight. Tiny green shoots break through the soil, their delicate leaves unfurling as they search for light. This is a vulnerable time as the young plants are sensitive to changes in temperature and moisture. The taproot grows downward, becoming the carrot we eat. Hidden from view, the root thickens and lengthens, drawing nutrients from the soil. This is where the magic happens, the transformation from a tiny seed to a vibrant, nutritious vegetable. Green tops grow taller, soaking up the sun's energy. The leaves act like solar panels, capturing sunlight and turning it into food for the growing root below. The healthier the tops, the stronger the carrot beneath the ground. Photosynthesis creates sugars stored in the root. As the leaves absorb sunlight, they convert it into energy, which is sent down to the root and stored as sweet sugars. This process gives carrots their signature flavor and crunch. The root develops its orange color with beta-carotene. As the carrot matures, it accumulates this important nutrient, which not only gives it a bright hue but also makes it a healthy choice for our diets. Farmers protect the crop from weeds and pests. Weeds can steal water and nutrients, while insects and diseases threaten the young plants. Through careful monitoring, hand weeding, and sometimes using natural or mechanical controls, farmers keep the carrot patch safe and healthy. It's a slow, steady process. Carrots take time to grow, and each day brings new challenges, changes in weather, unexpected pests, or the need for more water. Patience and persistence are key as the plants inch toward maturity. The carrot's childhood is a journey of growth and care. From the first sprout to the swelling root, every stage is carefully watched and nurtured. Farmers walk the fields, checking for signs of stress or disease, making adjustments to ensure the best possible crop. Every step ensures a healthy, tasty carrot. The result of months of hard work is a field full of vibrant, uniform carrots, each one packed with flavor and nutrition, ready to be harvested and enjoyed. The farmer's watchful eye guides the crop to maturity. With experience and dedication, the farmer ensures that every carrot reaches its full potential, bringing the story of a carrot's childhood to a satisfying, delicious conclusion. After months of growth, it's harvest time. Carrot harvesters lift carrots from the soil quickly and gently. Rubber belts grab the leafy tops, pulling the carrots out. Toppers cut the tops, leaving them to enrich the soil. Carrots travel up a conveyor, shaking off dirt. The harvester collects mostly carrots, not soil. Carrots are transferred to waiting trucks. The process repeats until the field is harvested. Thousands of pounds of carrots are ready for the next stage. The great harvest is complete. Our carrots are on the move. Carrots are mixed with dirt and debris. Separation starts at the field or a cleaning station. A tumbler or shaker removes smaller debris. Carrots roll along a grate, leaving dirt behind. Fans blow away lightweight debris. Pre-cleaning is fast and efficient. Clean loads save on transport and factory costs. Carrots are mostly free of field companions. They are ready for the factory. The journey continues. With pre-cleaning done, carrots hit the road. Trucks link the farm to the factory. The journey is quick to maintain freshness. Open-top trailers allow easy loading. Drivers avoid bumpy roads to prevent damage. At the factory, trucks unload into a receiving hopper. Water flumes gently rinse carrots. Quality control samples ensure standards. Approved loads head back for more. The carrot convoy keeps the supply steady. The journey is efficient and continuous. Carrots are ready for their factory adventure. Inside the factory, carrots get a serious bath. A soak softens stubborn dirt. Carrots move through a wash tunnel with high-pressure jets. Rotating brushes scrub them clean. Water is filtered and recycled for safety. A final rinse with chlorinated water sanitizes them. Carrots emerge clean and vibrant. They are ready for sorting and cutting. The splash zone is complete. Carrots are squeaky clean. The next stage awaits. Clean carrots are sorted for quality. Mechanical grading sorts by size. Smaller carrots fall through gaps first. Uniform size is important for stores. Imperfect carrots are repurposed. Human workers inspect for quality control. Imperfect carrots become baby carrots or other products. The goal is minimal waste. Sorting decides which carrots are stars. Seconds are used efficiently. The process is a casting call for carrots. Only the best continue to packaging. The journey is almost complete. Carrots are ready for their final transformation. The factory ensures top quality. Carrots are transformed into convenient forms. High-speed machines cut them into various shapes. Baby-cut carrots are shaped from larger ones. Carrot coins and sticks are precision cut. Machines process hundreds of pounds per minute. Cold water rinses keep them crisp. Food safety is paramount. Workers maintain a hygienic environment. Carrots become ready-to-use products. The possibilities are endless. The final stage in the carrot's journey is packaging, a crucial process that ensures every carrot reaches you in the best possible condition. After being carefully washed and sorted, the carrots are transported to the packaging area, where a team of skilled workers and advanced machines work together seamlessly. Packaging not only protects carrots from damage during transport, but also helps preserve their natural freshness, flavor, and crunch. Each carrot is handled with care, and the packaging process is designed to keep them safe from contaminants and moisture, so they stay crisp and delicious until they reach your kitchen. Whole carrots are often bagged in precise amounts using automated weigher baggers, ensuring consistency and convenience for shoppers. Some carrots are sold loose, giving you the freedom to choose exactly how many you need. This flexibility makes it easy for everyone to enjoy fresh carrots, whether you're shopping for a family or just for yourself. Baby-cut carrots are packaged in special breathable bags. These bags have tiny perforations that allow air to circulate, keeping the carrots fresh and preventing excess moisture from building up. This innovative packaging helps maintain the perfect texture and taste of baby carrots, making them a convenient and healthy snack. For even longer shelf life, some carrots are packaged using modified atmosphere packaging or MAP. This high-tech method replaces the air inside the package with a special blend of gases, slowing down spoilage and keeping the carrots fresh for weeks. It's just one of the many ways technology helps bring the best produce to your table. Every package is carefully stamped with a best by date, so you know exactly how fresh your carrots are. This attention to detail ensures you always get the highest quality produce, and helps reduce food waste by letting you plan your meals with confidence. Once packaged, the carrots are stored in temperature-controlled cold rooms. These refrigerated environments slow down the natural aging process, locking in nutrients and flavor until the carrots are ready to be shipped out. From the cold storage, refrigerated trucks are loaded with fresh carrots and set out on their journey to grocery stores and markets near you. These trucks maintain the perfect temperature, ensuring the carrots arrive just as fresh as when they left the factory. When you see carrots displayed in your local store, you're witnessing the final step of a carefully managed journey that began in the fields and passed through many expert hands. The journey from seed to store is now complete. Now the carrots are ready for your table, whether you're preparing a family meal, packing a lunch, or enjoying a healthy snack. Their vibrant color and sweet flavor are a testament to the care and science behind every step of their journey. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, following the humble carrot from the farm, through the factory, and all the way to your home. We hope you enjoy every bite. The journey of the carrot is truly remarkable, a story of innovation, dedication, and teamwork that brings fresh, healthy food to your table. From field to fork, it's a story of science, care, and passion. Enjoy your carrots, and remember the incredible journey they've made just for you.